Hi there, we're looking at Access 2007, and in this tutorial we're going to look at how to sort information, and we're going to look at how to filter information within a table. So I've got this database open, and I've got a few tables here. I'm going to click on TBL Customers, and notice how I've got a bunch of information here. I've got company name, prefix, first name, last name, billing address, what else? I've got city, state, zip, contact, title, phone, extension, fax number, newsletter. So I've got a few things in this database right here. Well, let's say that I have all of these company names and I want to sort them in alphabetical order. How would I do that? Well, I could come over here, I could click on this right here, and notice I've got this sort A to Z or sort Z to A. So if I click on sort A to Z, bam, everything is now in alphabetical order according to company name. If I want to remove this filter, what I do is I just come up here to this group box right here, and I'm in the Home tab, and I just click on this where it says Clear All Sorts, and then it brings it back to the way that it was. So along with me being able to sort the information using these readily available commands right here, I can also come up to this group box and I can click on this right here and it will also sort. And then if I want to remove the sort, I just click on the Clear All Sorts button. And likewise, if I wanted to do this in a reverse alphabetical order, in descending order, I'd click on descending. And it would start with the letters at the end of the alphabet first. Let's go ahead and remove that. Let's go ahead and let's see if there's not a date field in here, but this also works for date fields. We can also do it for zip, since that's a number. And this will put this in ascending order or descending order for the number as well. Now, let's say we want to filter information. Let's say we want to look at all this information in here, and we want to just find the companies that are in San Francisco. So I would click on city, and I would click, there are two ways I can do this. I can click on this right here and I can say text filters. I can click on San Francisco and click OK, and it will filter all that information, give me the companies that are from San Francisco. If I want to remove the filter, I just come back up here and I say remove filter. Let's go back to city. Another way you can do this, you can actually click the filter button up here, and this will bring up the same thing. So you can choose from this list right here, or you can say text filters equals, and I can find, hey, tell me everything that has San in it. Well, you have to be a little more specific than that. If you want to filter the information, you have to click San, and then you have to use a wildcard at the end of that, and that will give you all of the entries in here that have San in the field name, because I used a wildcard. I'm going to go ahead and remove this filter, and let's do another test here. Let's do let's find all of our purchasing managers. So I'm going to say filter, and I'm going to use text filter equals, and I'm just going to type purchasing. I'm going to use a wildcard character, so it's going to bring back anything that has the word purchasing in it. Oh, that didn't work. Let me try this again. And here we go, filter. And let's go to equals. And I did purchasing, so we want purchasing. There we are, purchasing specialist. Now, Access will also do this for you. You don't have to use that wildcard. You can use what they have in here where it says begins with, and I could say purchasing. And it'll also bring up all this purchasing specialist, purchasing manager. Let me go ahead and remove this. Right here you've got a few more selections. You've got advanced filter options. And this usually is dealing with your working with numbers. But once you, let's say I do zip, let's say I want to find all the zips that begin with, let's say 941. And then I want to sort the information by last name. I can come over here and say sort from A to Z. So this is how you do a filter and a sort at the same time. And to remove them, then you would just say clear all sorts and then remove filter. And this is how you filter and sort information using a table in Access.